Bring your basic essentials. Now understand what university is. Understand how university works. Have picked a university and course and applied for UCAS. It's time to start getting ready for university. But there are a few things you need to remember when going to university. Important documents. These are the documents that are going to help identify you, whether it's your passport, your acceptance letter, scholarship, anything that will help say who you are and where you live. Bank statements, phone statements, take them with you because you never know, you might need to prove something. Electricals. Remember to take all your laptops, your consoles, whatever you need to take. If you have a phone or a tablet, remember to bring your charger. The last thing you want to do is go to university, move into your dorm and have no charger. Kitchen utensils. When you start university, go for your basics. So a couple plates, a couple cups, just little things, because what you will learn over time is you'll start to share things with your flatmates and you only need to buy stuff once you need it. Forks, cutlery, all of that. Bathroom products. So bring your essentials. Toothbrush, washing up stuff, soap, towels, and anything you need to your basic wash. Clothing. Bring a week's or 2 weeks worth of clothing. You will learn very quickly washing, very expensive. What students tend to do is bring their whole closet. I did this, guilty. And then you have not enough space for everything, and washing your clothes become expensive. I think I spend about £50 to £100 a month just washing all my clothes. Stationery. Bring again the basics, pens, pencils, notebooks. The reason I keep rehashing this basics is because if you bring everything, one, you might not have space to put everything where you want to put it. Two, you realize you bought too much stuff and you just wasted a lot of your money. And three, you're probably not going to use it all. Miscellaneous items. So these are just extra things you could put in your room. Plants, consoles, instruments, anything that would just make the room uniquely yours. What some students tend to do is they take pictures, childhood pictures, pictures of the family, LED lights, different things just to make the room unique to you. I've linked websites down below that have like a university checklist to make sure you've brought everything you need for university. Now that you've got everything you need to get ready for university, it's time to survive your first week at university. Check out this video here to see how to survive your first week.